We're training back today. We've got Romanian deadlifts, dumbbell rows, a dumbbell pullover, a bent over barbell row, and just gonna do a plank series. I would often finish this with a pull-up, but the bar is in the other room, so we're just gonna do some planks, really activating the back. I've already done my warm-up. There's a warm-up on this channel, so go ahead and warm up, activate everything, and if you're ready to go, you can do this 8 reps, 10 reps, or 12. The way I would design this program is do it for 4 weeks. In week 1, do 3 sets of 8, week 2, 3 sets of 10, week 3, 3 sets of 12, and then increase the weight the following week. All right, let's get started. Starting with Romanian deadlift. So using some dumbbells, not going real heavy today. It's kind of an intermediate. And hinging the hips back. Push through the floor. And let's do 8. Squeezing the glutes, pulling in the abs. Just clearing my knees. Maintaining a neutral spine. And as you can see, I've got, at my age and being a mom, got a little bit of a curve here. Really trying to pull in and up on that belly as I come up out of that Romanian deadlift. What I like to do in between my sets is just continue to work my feet a little bit, doing some tendus. And side. And back. Continuing to stretch things out. And then the other side. So this is more of a demonstration. I'm not going really heavy for myself today. But this is what I would do in between to get a bit of a rest. My next exercise is going to be a dumbbell row. A couple of ways you can do this. You can do it on the bench, but if you don't have a bench, you can simply lunge forward and row that way. I'm going to, what the heck, I'm going to go ahead and use the 20s. So I'm going to show you simply lunging forward. Lunging forward, shoulders down, abs tight, and row it back. Working the back, really thinking about the back. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I'm gonna set it down, shake it out a little bit, do the other side. And lunging forward, nice and tight, shoulders down, neutral spine, rowing to the back. 2, it's 3 and 4, abs tight. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Ooh, take at least 30 seconds of rest in between before going back and doing that for 2 more sets. But I'm going to go ahead and move on. All right, now we're getting into the DB pullover. And this, I have to be honest, this is a little bit awkward for me, but we're going to go ahead and rock and roll with this. Remember, use a weight that you can control because you are going to go back behind you and then pull it forward. All right, here we go. Abs tight, lifting it up, rolling down, and I'm coming back, and I'm pulling forward. And 2, and pull forward. 3, 4, gotta keep control. 5, so I'm not going back that far. 6, 7, 8. Lifting my knee and rocking up to come up out of that. That was fun. All right. So then I'm going to go into, obviously, take about 30 seconds to rest. And then I'm going to go into a bent over barbell row, and I just got a weighted bar here, just about 15 pounds. I could do more, but this is fine for showing you the technique. All right, coming in, bending over and rowing it back, really pulling it, really feeling it right in the center of the back. Let's do, I'm gonna do 8 more. 1 and 2, come on. 3, contract that back. 4, it's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Ah, there, I felt that. You want to feel it in the spinal erectors, you want to feel it in the back, you don't want to feel it in the back of your neck or up here in the traps. Really shoulders back and down, squeeze that back. 3 rounds. Now we're going to do some planks. I like to do my planks fully extended. You can do them on your forearms. I like to do a fully extended plank. We rack these. So good over the years to get your collection of weights. Invest in them a couple at a time, and eventually you'll get a full complement. All right, so I'm gonna come in and a nice standard, fully extended plank. And I'm just gonna count to 30 in my head. Squeeze, pull in. And counting to 10 more. Squeeze, contract, shoulders back and down. Squeeze. There you go. So once again, the exercises: Romanian deadlift, dumbbell rows, dumbbell pullover, bent over barbell row, and a plank. First time, 8 of each, 3 complete sets. So I'm Catherine Best Gordon from sugarfreedom.com. That's my nutrition program, and I do design training sessions, and you can get those at Catherine@cardiofreedom.com. Subscribe to this channel, and we continue to work through the 5-day split, and I think we've got like triceps tomorrow, so kind of cool. Thanks for being here with me, and have a great day.